We just got the Lego typewriter today. Okay? Yeah, it looks like a beautiful set. Okay, so boys, Adrian, do you know what is a typewriter?
It's like a computer except with no screen. It's where it's like a computer and you type and then a paper comes out. I don't really know how it works.
So do you need to plug in, do you need to plug it in? Like your iPad, right? Do you need to plug in the typewriter?
I don't know.
Have you ever touched a real typewriter?
No.
Have you ever seen a real typewriter?
Like on Google?
No, like, have you ever seen the real thing? A real typewriter?
No.
No? Okay.
This is Lego, so it's not real.
What do you think people use the typewriter for?
Writing letters, I think. I don't know.
So do you know how it works? Do you know how it works?
Not really.
What? Do you know how it works?
Not really. No.
Okay. Derek, do you know what is a typewriter?
Yeah.
Okay, what is a typewriter?
It's a thing that it has a button like on a PC or a laptop, and then every time you type like something, when you're done, people will come out with your letters that you typed.
Okay, do you know what is it for? What is the use of a typewriter?
Writing things.
What?
Writing things.
Writing things, okay. And does it have any battery? Do you know if the typewriter has any battery?
No.
Do you need to charge it?
No,
Okay, so do you know how it works?
not really.
Have you ever seen or touched a real typewriter?
No.
Okay, this is gonna be fun, okay? So we're gonna build this Lego typewriter and then we can actually use it. So this is how you learn how to type. See the QWERTY? That's how the QWERTY is, QWERTY.
I know that.
Okay, all keyboard is a QWERTY keyboard, 99%.
It's like that.
Okay?
Yeah.
So,
So actual print on paper?
well, you have to put in, just like a printer, right? You insert the paper and then you type on it, right? You put in the paper will come out, right? So whatever you want to do, right? Yeah, you use the keys. Okay? All right. Wish me luck, boys. I hope you're gonna have fun with the typewriter.
I'm probably not gonna.
Okay.